everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Spotify music in Canva. Yes, you can do that apparently. So it's quite simple. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So in this left corner, you can see all this option. Yeah, all you have to do is go all the way down. Let's go to the app. So actually there are two ways where you can add music of Spotify. I'm going to show you both ways, don't worry. So let's go all the way down, and here or you can just search it up, or there you might see an option of, or you can, okay, let's do this, let's type embed, and there you go. Simply tap in there, and here you can see all the those apps like YouTube, Instagram, all those links. You can add it from here. There you can see easily Spotify option. Let's tap in there. So once you tap in there, so it will lead you to this random Spotify link. This is just a random one, and if you really want to keep a specific Spotify link music, then I've got you covered, don't worry. In order to do that, you can simply, okay, let's keep this side here. This is a random one. So make sure you have Spotify opened up. Let's go to Spotify. I have Spotify right here. Let's go in here. So here you can see, let's say I want to keep this music, okay? You have to go to this copy song link. Let's click in there. So link is copied to clipboard. All you have to do is paste it over here. And there you go. Now this is how you add Spotify music on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.